Alright guys, we have added in a new thing that you can do with multiple choice questions. So you can see this question right here, multiple choice. It has MC up in the front over here, which is necessary, and it has all of our lovely vertical bars. Remember, there is no vertical bar like at the end. There's no final vertical bar there, right? That's not a thing. And you'll notice here's a difference, right? So on this one, the answer is just either yes or no, right? It's not like if they pick the wrong answer, we could go into a series of responsives or thoughts or things like that. Actually, in this case, if they do get it wrong, we're probably going to switch over to general functions and graphs stuff, which is why this responsive is here. It tells you that the responsive is in the thought is there. All right, you guys know this stuff. But here's an additional factor. Boop. This little thing right there. All right. What that does, I'm going to highlight in blue, what that does is it automatically pins this question as a review. So the second they pick B, it pins it as a review question. If they pick C, it will pin it as a review question. And if they pick D, same thing. This is super critical because, as we all know, as instructors, half the time we're just like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what's going on. Like, I got like 6 students all of a sudden, like everybody came in, it's a crazy, crazy day. And the last thing you want to do is have to remember to pin every single question, right? You do have to pin every review question, right? You still have to remember to do it somehow, some way. But this is going to help everybody out. So if some of these things are auto-pinning, that's just really, really incredible. It's going to help super, super much Lee. And then this is how you do it, right? So just bracket, pin, closing bracket. That's all. I like to surround it with spaces, so I don't put it directly right next to the N like that, and I don't put it directly next to the other bar, so I don't put it like that either. It doesn't like really matter. It's just mostly like having the spacing, making sure that it doesn't look too cramped, making sure that it's easily visible and editable. So that's kind of the idea. That's the whole thing. Do this. Do it. If you have questions about it, let me know.